how to find friends on Facebook by location. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Facebook by location. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Facebook app itself, let's first visit the App Store or Play Store if you have an Android and check for Facebook is up to date. So I'm just going to open App Store right here, and I'm just going to go back to the pages to see how you can go from to there. So just type in the search bar Facebook. Click on Facebook. Now if that says update over here, that means that your Facebook is currently outdated and you have to click on that update button to update your app and ensure that you will have the latest features within the app. If that says open, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date and you're good to go. So assuming that I am now done updating my Facebook app, let's just open Facebook right here and find friends on Facebook by location. Let's just click on the search icon from the home page. And what we're going to do is to type in a name that you are trying to locate on Facebook. So I'm just going to type in David, click on search, and from here you should see these multiple tabs at the top. Just click on people so you can only see accounts and not pages. So once you're here, just click on this icon right here at the top right corner. And this is where we can filter people. So what we're going to do is to change the city. So that is where we can assign a location. So for example, I'm just gonna click on New York. You can also type in the search bar for a location you want. For example, Korea. Click on that and you can click on show results over here. And that should show all the David who are living in Korea. So that is how you can basically find friends on Facebook by location. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.